Hey guys, how's it going? Support, get back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the top selling wireless headphones which you can buy right now from Amazon. So let's get started. So these are the top selling wireless headphones from Amazon, and as you can see, they are designed for sports. So that means they have to be designed to be waterproof, to resist against sweat drops, rain, snow, a water splash, or all this stuff, in order to provide you the best convenience and experience as possible. Also, they come with advanced noise cancellation technology claimed, which means that they're able to cancel the background noise and background conversation while listening to the music and exercising. And to be honest, since I used them while doing my workout early on, I can honestly tell you that the cancelling noise technology actually works well with these headphones, and I was able to enjoy my workout without getting distracted. And also they work with all devices, including iOS, Android, and Windows phones. And lastly, there's a microphone included in order to be able to make calls during your workout. But please keep in mind that the microphone is not the best microphone you will ever see, but it works quite well if you want your calls to be quick and brief. So when you open the box, you're gonna see this very nice, stylish Empower logo on top. When you open it, you're gonna see a small pouch with including the headphones with all the accessories in it, and also you're gonna get a warning message with the user guides as well. So within the pouch, you get the actual headphones, and I really love the glossy Empower logo on each side, making them really attractive and very stylish. Also, you get different ear tip sizes, extra small, medium, and large, in order to be able to fit the headphones for every single individual's ears. The ear hook is flexible, and no matter the size of the ear, will be able to fit perfectly. On the right earphone, this is where you have all the controls. On the top you have the volume up and down buttons. The Empower logo is a pause and play button, and also answer and reject calls. And on the bottom is where you can charge your headphones. Behind the right side of the earphone, this is where you have a small microphone. Fortunately, it's not going to be the best microphone you will ever see, but it can definitely do the job if you want to make brief and quick calls. The battery is pretty good as well, with roughly 7 hours of talk or listen time and 220 standby hours. They can last for up to 5 to 7 days of moderate use. In the end, I like these earphones. The quality, the design, and the usage, they're definitely best suited for me. However, there's one more thing. This is the updated version of these headphones. They provide better sound noise cancelling technology, longer battery life, up to 10 hours of play and talk time with the same charge time. Plus it's built in with even better material, and the cord is even more bendable, and even better workout experience. I really like how well they have designed the box, and also how well they have decorated inside. But to be honest, they only cost $2 more than the previous one. And here are your headphones. So let's actually remove them to see what else is beneath the box. So this is where you have all the user guides and some images of these headphones. And here you have a pouch where you can put your earphones in and keep them safe. And within the pouch, this is where you get your ear tips. This is where you can change the ear tips of the headphones according to your ear size. Putting over everything on the side, this is the earphones, and let's actually take them off to show you how beautiful the design is. Also forgot to mention is that the cord is made from different technology, making it even more flexible. So this is exactly how they look like. As you can see, I got the red version, which is really good, and they're actually the same. The controls are actually the same from the previous version. So you have the volume rockers on the top, you have the pause play button, and below you have the charger. This is where you charge them, and inside there, this is the microphone. Now they feel much better on the hand. The ear hooks are actually, I think they're slightly more flexible, allowing them to be even more universal, so they can fit with every single ear out there. But you can also change the ear tip just like the previous ones. And also, as I mentioned, the cord is actually even more flexible, allowing you to, have better experience with your workout. And there you have it, the #1 most selling wireless headphones on Amazon, and the upgraded version with longer battery life, better noise cancelling technology with better built-in quality, with both having 4 stars and even better reviews on Amazon. So which one of these will you pick? Will you pick the upgraded limited version, or are you gonna pick the standard ones? Please let me know down in the comments. And also please don't hesitate to hit the like button in this video if you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share this video to your friends in order to show them how cool these headphones are and how good the quality is. And lastly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it in order to receive notification for every video we upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you to my next video.